Hey guys, today we shall discuss about setting indents, spacing page setup, margins, ruler, page, paper size in Word, inserting lines, page breaks, insertions of tables, deletions of row and columns, alignment between row and columns, viewing document or properties and printing. Setting indents. There are two types of indents that can be adjusted, paragraph and bullet points. दोनों दो हैं ये. Each has a separate way of adjusting the indent size. Line first line indent with tab. The first line indent can also always be created using the tab key on the keyboard. यानी आप पैराग्राफ कीबोर्ड से भी बना सकते हैं. फर्स्ट लाइन इंडेंट वाला होता है और टैब दबाओगे तो नॉर्मली ये 5 का दबेगा, 5 स्पेस का. ए कंप्लीट पैराग्राफ कैन बी इंडेंटेड विद द की शॉर्टकट कंट्रोल एम से भी हम कर सकते हैं. एंड प्रेसिंग द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट मोर देन वंस will indent the paragraph further. To reverse the indent, press Ctrl Shift M. Adjusting indents using the ruler. To adjust a paragraph indent size, use the ruler, comma, which is below the menu bar and resembles the picture shown below. The top marker down arrow controls the first line indent and the middle marker up arrow controls the hanging indent. The indent for lines after the first line in each paragraph. The bottom marker small box लिखा रखा है ना, controls the left indent. To adjust these indents you can click and drag each marker to the right or left. To change the orientations for an entire document, select all text document, Ctrl A से, and then adjust the indent spacing in the ruler as details above. If a large indent is created when pressing tab key and adjusting the indent on the ruler does not fix the issue, adjust the left tab stop in the ruler. Changing indents in the paragraph window. Another way to adjust the indents is to view the paragraph settings. To view this window, double click on the markers in the ruler. Click format and paragraph, and then paragraph. You can also place the cursor in the paragraph. Right click with your mouse and choose paragraph. Adjust the indent on the ribbon in window 2007 and later. If you are using a newer version of Microsoft Word that uses the ribbon such as Word 2007 or 2013, do the following. इसमें click on the layout or page layout tab पे क्लिक कीजिए. Adjust the indent settings in the paragraph section. To view the paragraph window mentioned in the above section, click the small down arrow indicated by the red arrow in the picture below. तो page setup, page layout. The page setup is the parameters defined by the user that help determine how a printed page appears. Those parameters can include everything from the size, margins, page orientation to quality of print. More plainly, it's a menu that allows users to customize the layout of a page. The page setup dialog box is usually available from the file drop down menu. For Microsoft Word 2007 or later, the page setup options are available under the layout tab in the ribbon menu. उसके बाद में है इंसर्टिंग lines and page breaks, breaking up sections of a document by typing individual characters. To form a line is time consuming and may not achieve the proper formatting effect. Instead of using the keyboard to draw the lines, here are three ways to insert different styles of horizontal lines in MS Word. Use auto format to insert a line in Word. To quickly insert a line into a Word document with the auto format feature, type a few characters to instantly create the different types of lines. To create a line, place the cursor in the location that you had like to insert the line. Type the three characters for the desired line style, then press enter to create the different types of line. Press associated keys on the keyboard. प्लेन सिंगल लाइन के लिए, ठीक है। उसके बाद में है ये थ्री इक्वल साइंस के लिए, ब्रोकन और डॉटेड लाइन के लिए, बोल्ड सिंगल लाइन के लिए, व्यू लाइन के लिए, ट्रिपल लाइन विद ए थिकर सेंटर, 3 नंबर साइंस के लिए। पेज ब्रेक्स क्या होते हैं? वर्ड ऑटोमेटिकली एड्स ए ब्रेक at the end of each page. You can also insert a manual page break anytime you want to start a new page in your document. Put your cursor where you want one page to end and the next to begin. तो इसमें आएगा insert पे जाइए, पेज ब्रेक पे क्लिक कीजिए, हाउ टू इंसर्ट ए पेज इन ए वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट, ये आ रखा है, ये पढ़ना आप कभी। Open the word or document when you wish to put a table. Position the cursor on the area where you want the table to be inserted. मैंने करवाया भी था ये टेबल वाला चैप्टर। और उसके बाद में चूज दी योर मेथड ऑफ इंसर्टिंग योर टेबल, फॉर्मेटिंग टेबल। आफ्टर यू क्रिएट ए टेबल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वर्ड 2007 offers you many ways to format that table. If you decide use table styles, you can format your table at all once and even see a preview of what your table will look like formatted in a particular style before you actually apply the style. You can create a custom look for tables by spelling or margining cells, adding or deleting columns or rows, or adding borders. If you are working with a long table, you can repeat the table handlings on each page on which the table appears to prevent a backward page break that dispute the flow of your table. You can also specify just how and where the table should break across pages. फिर उसके बाद में है delete a cell, row और column. Do one of the following to select. Do this. जैसे कि a cell, click the left edge of the cell. A row, click to the left of the row. Column, click the column's top guideline और टॉप बॉर्डर। उसके बाद में है अंडर टेबल टूल्स, क्लिक दी लेआउट टैब इन द रो एंड कॉलम ग्रुप लाइक डिलीट एंड देन क्लिक डिलीट सेल्स। Column as appropriate. Alignment between row and columns. The term row represent an arrangement wherein the people, objects, members or any other things lie next to each other facing the same way, that is in horizontal line. It goes from left to right like the row of a school classroom or seats of a movie theater. A column is an arrangement of facts, figures, words, etc. are placed one after another in a sequence. In a table, columns are separated from each other by lines which enhance its reliability, readability, and effectiveness. It helps in making the comprehension between two columns by placing them side by side. Row or and column both are fundamental part of any table, whether it is a separate sheet or mixture on the basis of to store data. These are a vital geometric arrangement which divides any data set on the basis of attributes. ठीक है.